A letter to the next owner of this home.
This isn't just a property for sale. This is a letter to the next chapter of this home. I was in love with the beach, particularly that beach. I never thought it would be possible. I used to meditate and imagine that I lived on that street. I've always loved restoring old houses. It's my passion. I grew up surrounded by architectural drawings and design boards. One day, an open house came up, and almost as a joke, I told my husband we should go see it. We thought it was awful. It was terrible. Everything needed to be transformed. At that time, we were just starting Palermo House, a new business. It felt like an impossible vision. We made an offer, but it was already under contract, and they accepted us as a backup. The first deal fell through, and they called us. We weren't ready, but it happened. We decided to turn it into the garden house. We planted around 600 plants. We brought in giant palm trees. We insulated the house like a botanical cocoon, a portal to another dimension. The plants transport you. Listening to the sound of the sea, we realized it wasn't just a house, it was a playground, an energetic portal, a transporter. We meditate there, in silence and in connection with nature, with the sky, with the sound of the ocean, working the land, living the natural process of planting and harvesting. We managed to create a garden in the sand because we didn't know what we were doing at first. We lost many plants. It required so much work, but we learned so much. A message from life. It's not a house, it's a living, vibrant, harmonious place. It represents a simple life, focused on what truly matters. In that garden, women's circles are held, a safe, harmonious space held by nature where people dance barefoot. But it's also a place for family gatherings, where Argentinian barbecues are enjoyed under the light of the stars.
Are you ready to build your story here?